So for a little bit of fun today, I thought I would make some pickles. If you've never made pickles before, it is ridiculously easy. So I have my meats laid out over here. Over. Why is this not turning around? Okay, camera, turn. No, that's not what I wanted to do. No. All right, so here as the meats for my pickles, I've got my sliced up cucumbers and onions. I've got a little bit of turmeric, some mustard seeds, some pickling spice, a little bit of salt, some water, some apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of sugar. And my pan is nicely preheated here. It's really simple. Get your liquid in there. Get our water going. Add the vinegar. I want to do this with the doors open because it definitely does smell a little bit. Into that, I'm going to add my small amount of sugar. Okay, it's like a cup and a half. My salt. Pickling spice. Yummy. Extra mustard seed. And my turmeric. Now, clearly with that amount of sugar, that tells you I'm going to be making some sweet pickles, which I personally really enjoy. So, key thing with this is, take this, bring this up to a boil, make sure we dissolve that sugar. Give it a quick little stir here. So we're gonna make sure we bring this up to a boil, dissolve that sugar, then we're gonna break it down, let it simmer for about 4 minutes. All right. After that 4 minutes, we will come back and pick it up at the next step. All right, so at this point, my pickling pickling juice, pickling brine, that's what we're using here. So my pickling brine has been simmering away for the last 4 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat, and then this is the most complicated step ever. You take and pour the brine on the cucumbers. Right off that nice hot simmer, just off a boil basically, pour it in. Now, depending on how many cucumbers you got in there, I did 8 Japanese cucumbers. You may need to kind of see if you can push it down a little bit. The key is to get as much coverage as you possibly can. I probably should have only gone with 3 cucumbers instead of 4. Oops, well darn. Not the end of the world. As this sits, as those cucumbers soften up a little bit, they will compress a little bit more, so you will get full coverage. Let this sit for anywhere from 1 hour to, I don't know, 2 or 3, right? Let it cool fully before, and then cover it up, put it in the fridge. I have no idea how long these last because they usually don't actually survive in my house longer than about 3 days. They may survive longer than that in your house, depending if you like pickles, but we tend to eat a lot of them. So, there you go. Just a little something different for you to try if you are sitting at home bored, as I know most of you are. Later.